In this video, I will show you guys step by step how I made $17,125 in commission with Pinterest affiliate marketing using free traffic without investing any money in paid ads. I will share with you which products or services I'm promoting on Pinterest. I will share with you how you can use free traffic, how you can choose trending product that can help you to earn commission, and so much more. So make sure to watch this video until the end if you guys are interested, and let's get started. So this is my payment, and just this payment was paid in this month. Okay, so the money that you will make in this month, it's gonna be paid in the next month, and so on. So this is my invoice, and this is my affiliate account dashboard. Okay, this is my commissions, $17,125, my clicks, CTR, and this commission was earned just in one single month. Okay, in the month of November. Okay, anyway, for people who want to start making money with Pinterest affiliate marketing, step number one, you guys need to go to Google and search for Fiverr. Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. This website is super easy, the sign up process super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr, as you can see. Okay, so what you will do, you just need to come to this page and scroll down, just keep scrolling down, go to company and click over here on affiliate. Okay, you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you guys can check this website to get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliates. We will start promoting services, and from my experience, this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever. They are really paying good commissions. Okay, so what you will do, just click here on join now, and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. All you have to do, you just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? You guys can say yes or no. If you have a website, you can say yes. And you need to choose your country from here and choose your language. Okay, if you have a Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next, and that's it. Sign up process is super easy and simple. You just need to follow a few steps. You guys can see it's very easy and simple. And after you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. So this will be your Fiverr affiliate account dashboard. Okay, so what you will do next, pay close attention. I will share with you which service you should start promoting on Pinterest. Okay, so just go back to your Fiverr homepage like this. Okay, and just click here on the search and search for this service. Search for Pinterest marketing. Okay, search for this one, Pinterest marketing. So why we choose this service? Because we are promoting our services on Pinterest. So we will promote services that will help people to grow their businesses on Pinterest. Okay, you need to choose good services, services that can help people to grow their businesses. You cannot promote any services that you like or that you think it's gonna work. It doesn't work like this. Okay, you need to do research to see which services are good, which services can solve problems, which services can help people to grow their businesses. That's how we can make so much commissions. Okay, anyway, search for Pinterest marketing, scroll down. I want you to pay close attention in this step. Like I said, always choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, this one, like this one, Fiverr choice, this one, level 2 seller, level 1 seller, and top rated sellers. Okay, always choose sellers that has a lot of reviews. Okay, so if people click on your affiliate link, they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from you and you will earn commissions. Okay, so for example, I'm gonna choose, let me see, I'm gonna choose like this one. You guys can see this one is top rated seller. I will click on his service, just click on his service. You guys can see 12 orders in queue. This is the proof that this service is working. Which people will buy this service? If it's not working, which people will buy this one? Of course, only people who has Pinterest account, only people who want to grow their Pinterest account or their businesses on Pinterest. Okay, 12 orders in queue. People keep coming back, meaning that the seller is providing good service for his customers. So here is what you will do. You will copy the profile link of this seller and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and click over here. You have dashboard, marketing tools, report payment. Click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links, and you will be directly in this page. Click on deep link, put this profile seller link here and click on save. And here you go, you just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you will do next, you just need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. So let's go to Pinterest. You guys need to open business account on Pinterest. It's super easy. If you don't have Pinterest, go to Google, search for Pinterest like this, search for Pinterest, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. They will ask you if you want to create business account or personal account. Choose business account. So why we choose Pinterest? Because Pinterest has so much traffic. 1 billion monthly visitors. 1 billion monthly visitors. It's impossible to not making commissions promoting services that can help people to grow their businesses on Pinterest, or services that are related to Pinterest. Okay, and the proof, I already shared with you the proof. Already people are buying those services related to Pinterest. Okay, so here is what you will do next. This will be your home page. Click over here on home feed, click on create pin. Okay, click on create pin and you will be directly in this page. So here is what you will do next. You will go back to this seller profile page, click on his picture. You guys can see the seller has picture. Let me see if we can find good one. Like this picture is good. Double click on the picture and click on save image. Okay, and save this picture to your laptop. Okay, I'm gonna click on save. Go back to Pinterest and click here. Just click over here and let me show you. Let's go to download and upload this picture to Pinterest. Open, and here you go. You guys can see. So here is what you will do next. You need title, you need description, and you need to put your affiliate link. So let's start with the title. So for the title and for the SEO, for your pin to rank, you need to just use chat GPT. Okay, let me show you. Go to Google, search for chat GPT. Okay, search for chat GPT like this, and here you go. Click over here on this link, and I already have chat GPT in my laptop over here, and you will be directly in this page. Okay, so here is what you will do. Ask chat GPT. Okay, go back. So first let me show you. Go back to this seller profile page. Okay, and copy this title. Okay, copy this title, go back to ChatGPT and ask him turn this title, okay, into Pinterest pin. Okay, and I will put this title here. Turn this title into a Pinterest pin title. Okay, and here you go. Okay, you guys can see. Here you go. You got a good title that you can use for your Pinterest pins. Okay, copy this title, go back to Pinterest and put this title here. Okay, go back to ChatGPT and ask him create a Pinterest pin description about this from this title. Create Pinterest pin description from this title, and here you go. ChatGPT will create a good and optimized Pinterest pin description for your pin. Okay, copy this description, go back to Pinterest and put this description here. Okay, scroll down, you need to put your affiliate link here. So what you will do, you will go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. So you just created, so this is your affiliate link. If you guys have new account with Fiverr affiliate, you can't see this option Fiverr CPA old plan, because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate account. I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years, and they still have this option. For you, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. Copy your affiliate link from here, go back to Pinterest and put your affiliate link here. Click on choose a board. If you have new account, click on create a board and just give it a name, and that's it. And you can create as many as you want. I'm gonna choose this one. You need to put here tags, okay? Tags or keyword, okay? So here is what you will do. You can go to ChatGPT and ask him, give me pins tags, okay, about this title. And here you go. You guys can see ChatGPT will give you the pins tags for your title. You can see Pinterest marketing, social media growth, Pinterest tips, Pinterest for business, marketing strategy. You have those tags here. Here is what you will do. Just copy those tags. Copy this one like this and go back to Pinterest and put those tags here. You should use ChatGPT. Will help you rank your pins and start getting clicks and start making commissions. Okay, use ChatGPT. AI can help you guys. The power of AI is really amazing. It can help you grow your business and scale your affiliate marketing business fast if you know how you can use it correctly and how you can ask him correctly. He will really help you. Okay, put all those tags here. Go back to ChatGPT. You have a lot of tags. Copy, just use the same process and put those tags here. After you finish, click on publish, and here you go. You just published your first Pinterest affiliate link here. Okay, you guys can see this will be your picture, this will be your affiliate link, this is your title, and this is your description's gonna be here. Okay, so that's how we can start promoting affiliate links, and that's how we can start Pinterest affiliate marketing using free traffic. This is the method that you guys need to use if you want to earn some commissions and if you want to take this business seriously. Okay, use ChatGPT, use AI, like I said, to scale your business, to help you grow your affiliate business. And that's it. If you have any question, just leave it in the comments. Also, guys, I want to explain something. This commission that I made, $17,125, it didn't come from just Pinterest. I'm sharing all the methods that I'm using. Okay, I'm using YouTube Shorts, I'm using YouTube long videos, I'm using Twitter, I'm using TikTok, I'm using Instagram, and so much more. And in each video, if you see the same commission, because this commission didn't come just from one platform. I'm using, like I said, I'm using multiple platforms, and in each video I shared with you the method that I'm using to promote my affiliate links in different platforms. Okay, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. For people who are asking, do I have any affiliate marketing course? Yes, I do. If you guys are interested, you can reach out to me in my email address in my description, and I will get back to you. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next videos. Please leave a comment what your problems you are facing, what's your questions, so I can make a next video and answer all your questions in my next videos.